Hey drivers, this is Barry with Christenson Transportation. Today, I guess it's a combination. We have two of these videos that we do. One is called the Maintenance Toolbox, where we talk about maintenance items and preventive maintenance items and all sorts of topics. And the other one is our Safety Type Priority segment, where we talk about all things safety related. So today, again, is a repeat topic, and it's kind of a combination. It kind of crosses the border of between maintenance and safety, and it's about keeping your truck clean. It is absolutely embarrassing when repair shops will not work on a vehicle due to the interior and the smell and the clutter. That's a safety problem. It's also a maintenance issue and a big red flag saying, hey, if this driver won't take the time when they stop 2, 3, 4 times a day, multiple opportunities, to throw the trash out, to throw the food out, to clean that 6 feet of space, they're probably not doing a very good pre-trip. They're probably not maintaining that truck, and they're probably not going to be successful in the trucking world. So have pride. I preached this last time about pride and ownership. Just yesterday I had a guy on the yard, and that truck looked brand new. The wheels were shining, the tires were shining, the truck was shining, and the driver was standing in front of me, clean as can be, and had worked just as hard as everybody else that week. So it can be done. Take some pride in that truck. Take some pride in yourself. If you take showers on a regular basis, if you maintain your body and your clothes and your appearance and your vehicle, you're gonna feel good. You're gonna feel good about yourself. You're gonna want to go in places. Our customers are gonna want to see you. If you refuse to do any of that and your truck's a pigsty and you don't take care of yourself, the customers are gonna say, hey, what's up with Christenson? So we don't want to be those people. So think of that. Say, hey, I'm going to feel good today. I'm going to clean my truck. I'm going to clean myself. And I'm going to have a new attitude. And people are going to treat me different. Facts of life, good or bad. That's just the way it works. So try it out. Try to change it. Get on a new plan. And be proud. Take care of that truck. Take care of your business. Take care of our business. So have a good day. Today's segment sponsored by our friends at the Tennessee Trucking Association, who are good partners with us, as well as the rest of the motoring public. So until next time, have a good day.